Hello, and Yakwe. I have another song from the Marshall Islands and another shirt that my students signed from Madro, in the Madro zip code there. And this is a song that I heard and I immediately fell in love with when I was there. A student first sang it to me who's named Daryl, with a beautiful voice and an amazing ukulele player. And I got this strum from Daryl as well. Now the song is called Myorio Mokta. It's about how life in the old days in the Marshall Islands was so good and so peaceful. And I got a taste of that when I lived out on Jaluit. And I can tell you that life there was indeed so peaceful and beautiful. So here's a tribute to the old days in the Marshall Islands and how life was so good back then. I toka I peli bubu imla shima monga ekum sidal waini echa no koa echa chole senro mogata morio mokta morio emma morio mokta Morio Emma Komero se yui Moworilo I toka I peli bubu Imla shima Monga ekum sida waini echa No koa Echa chole Senro mogata Morio Mokta Morio Emma Morio Mokta Morio Emma Life is good. Como Tara.